Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we are here with the self-cut crew. Today we're gonna do a skin fade using the self-cut cordless combo clippers. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is grab our self-cut finisher trimmer, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a skin line all the way around my head. I'm gonna go to the temple area of the head, and I'm gonna go all the way around the head in a circle. All right, guys, so now that we created the whole line around the head, we started at the temple area of the head. I'm gonna go around and show you guys. Now that we completed our first guideline, we're gonna go ahead and work on our second guideline. To do that, we're gonna grab our Lambo clipper, we're gonna open the lever up all the way, and we're gonna create our second guideline. All right, guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is clear the bulk on the sides. In this particular case, in my hair, I'm gonna use the 1.5. If you're at home and your hair is a little thicker on the side, you can go with a guard that fits your hair. Okay, guys, now that we have the 1.5 on the side of our head, we're gonna go ahead and drop down to the 1. And to do that, we're gonna put it on the machine. We're also gonna use our lever to fade into the hair. So the reason why we're moving the lever up and down is because the previous guard was bigger than this guard. So as we go higher, we want to make sure that we're opening our lever to fade into that previous guard. Okay, guys, so what we did was we created that skin line. We went ahead and we created a 1/2, and then we jumped to our 1.5 to clear the bulk. Then we dropped down to the 1 and started to fade out that line. You can see that the lines are starting to get faint. So we're gonna go ahead and drop down to a 1/2 and really get this fade faded. Okay, guys, now that our second guideline is gone, we're gonna move on to the first one, and we're gonna take that guideline out with the machine all the way closed to remove that skin line. All right, guys, notice when we did the second guideline, we had the machine all the way open and we went up a 1/2 inch. Now to remove that skin line, we're basically fading into that second guideline. So we're closing the machine, turning it on. And as we get higher, we open it up. As we get higher, we open it up some more. And as we get higher, we open it up one more time. And that's exactly where our skin line was. So this is what we have, guys, now that the skin fade is all blended out. But you wanna make sure that you go over your work to make sure all the lines are gone. You're not gonna get it right the first time around, so just go over it. So the last thing we're gonna do is go ahead and grab our finisher, and we're gonna go ahead and line up the front of our head. Okay guys, if you look at the finisher, it has a T blade on it. The T's go into the corner of the head to create that square. So what I'm doing here is just creating a square on the side of my head, using a T to get in the corner. Then I'm gonna turn my T upside down and get it this way as well. Same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead and line up our beard with a straight razor. For that, we're gonna go ahead and use a shave gel. This is the Easy Blade Shave Gel. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so we finished the beard, we went ahead and finished the skin fade. Hope you guys did good out there cutting your hair. Again, this is Jay from Easy Blade, and this is what we have.